Students, I hope you had a sparkling Diwali. So, student, today we are going to start with the second term, and in this we are going to first start with the chapter Pythagoras theorem. This is the 13th chapter of your mathematics textbook. So, students, let's begin. Student, as Pythagoras theorem is applicable only to the right angle triangle. Here you can see this is a right angle triangle, means 90 degree. Student, it has three sides. The first two sides will be equal or little bit different to each other, and the third side will be the longest side. And the third side, that is, as you can see, this is A, B, and this is the C. The C one is the longest side. It is called hypotenuse. So the formula for Pythagoras theorem is C square, that is hypotenuse square, is equals to one side square plus second side square, that is A square plus B square. Student, this is the hypotenuse side, means longest side, and this is the one side square plus second side square. Student, this is the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, this is the formula for Pythagoras theorem, which is applicable to the right angle triangle. By using this theorem, we are going to do this chapter. So let's begin with the practice set 48.
Hello, good morning students. So as you all know, we had started with the chapter 13, that is Pythagoras theorem. So here we are going to start with practice set 48. So first sum, as you can see on page number 90 of your textbook. First sum, in the figures below, find the value of x. So first one we will try to do it. So as you can see, this is a right angle triangle. Okay, that is 90 degree. So here angle LMN is given. In that side, LM is 7, MN is 24, and we are going to find LN is how much. Okay, so as you all know, the longest side, okay, the longest side will be the hypotenuse. What it is called? It is called hypotenuse. So here I am going to do the same sum. As you can see here, I had drawn the diagram, and now by using Pythagoras theorem, we are going to solve. We are going to find the value of x. So the formula is, as you can see here, hypotenuse square is equals to one side square plus second side square. Okay, that is adjacent side, means second side. Okay, so how to write here? As you can see, length ln. Why ln? Because this is the hypotenuse. As I told you, hypotenuse, what is the formula for Pythagoras is hypotenuse square is equals to one side square plus second side. As I am not having space, that is why square. Okay, so hypotenuse is side ln. So ln square is equals to one side, that is lm square plus mn square. Mn square. Okay, this is clear to you all? Now no two equals to in one line. Okay, so therefore length ln is x square. So I will substitute the value. X square is equals to lm is how much? 7. So 7 square plus mn is how much? 24 square. Okay, so x square, therefore x square, 7 sevens are 49. square we are going to take. 24 into 24 is 576. Okay. So now we are going to add this. After adding, I'll get 625. But here will be x square. Okay. So this 625 is the square of which number? So 625 is the square of 25. So here I'll remove the square and I'll take the square. So x is equals to 25. So therefore answer we got the value of x is equals to 25. It is clear now. Important thing is your formula. Okay. Hypotenuse formula is, Pythagoras formula is hypotenuse square is equals to one side square plus second side square. So student, now you are going to solve second sum and third sum the same way I had shown you sum number first. Okay, now second, as you can see in the right angle triangle PQR, angle PQ is equals to 90 degree. If length PQ is equals to 24 centimeter and length PR is equals to 10 centimeter, find the length of segment QR. Student, here you can see here diagram was given, but here only the statement is given. So it is very important first draw the diagram based on this information. Okay, I will show you. This is the same question I had written in the notebook. Okay, now the first way to consider how to draw the diagram. Okay, triangle PQR. First of all, this is a triangle. Okay, I am doing roughly with the pen, but you are going to use pencil and scale to draw the diagram. Okay, so this is the triangle. Always remember, naming you cannot do anyhow. Okay, so always consider here this will be the right 90 degree. Always remember this. Okay, this is the 90 degree. So which angle is given 90 degree? P. So here P will be here. समझ रहे हो? जो भी तुम्हारा 90 डिग्री दिया रहेगा वो हमेशा यहाँ पे आएगा. अंडरस्टूड? क्यों? क्योंकि दिस इज यहाँ पे ही 90 डिग्री होता है. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ पी आई गॉट. सो पूरा अभी एंगल ऐसे नहीं जा सकते तुम, यहाँ से जाना पड़ेगा. तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा Q और यहाँ पे आ जाएगा R. नाउ अंडरस्टूड हाउ टू नेम इट? नाउ पुट द वैल्यूज. दिस इज 90 डिग्री एज आई टोल्ड यू. नाउ PQ इज 24. PQ is 24 and PR is 10. PR is 10. So what we are going to find? QR. QR. Okay, so I'll consider this as a X. Why? Because no value is given. Same way right angle है तो Pythagoras theorem. Understood? So for this you are going to write the statement as well. Solution. First statement. In triangle PQR, angle P is equals to 90 degree given in the question. Okay, therefore segment QR is hypotenuse. Why? Longest side. Okay, now so by Pythagoras theorem. So what was the formula? Formula was hypotenuse QR. So QR square is equals to one side PR square plus second side PQ square. QR is not, substitute x square is equals to 10 square plus 24 square. Okay, now 10 square is 100 plus this is 24 is 576. Now I'll add this. So I got 676. So now this is x square. अब ये किसका स्क्वायर है? So this is the square of 26. Okay, so square I removed 26 centimeter. So the answer is the length of segment QR is 26 centimeter. I hope you understood this, student. Now I want you to do sum number third by yourself. Fourth I will teach you. So student, now we will solve sum number 4. Okay, same question I had written in notebook. As you can see here, the top of a ladder of length 15 meter reaches a window 9 meter above the ground. What is the distance between the base of the wall and that of the ladder? So first we will draw a triangle. Okay, right angle triangle. This is the right angle triangle. Now here base you are going to find out. Why? Because what is the distance between the base of the wall? So this is the base. I already named it as a x meter. Okay, so 15 meter reaches. This is the 15 meter I gave, and this is the 9 meter. Okay, so A will be the foot of the ladder, B will be the base of the wall, and C will be the window. Now let BC be the wall and AC the ladder and C is the window. Let B, where is B? BC be the wall, AC be the ladder and C be the window. Okay, so first what we will do? We will do by the first we will write the values. Your value length AC is how much? 15 meter. Okay, length BC is how much? 9 meter. Okay, so we have to find what we have to find. We have to find AB, length AB. Okay, now let A be the x meter. Let length AB is equals to x meter. So by Pythagoras theorem, okay, so hypotenuse is AC. This AC is the hypotenuse. So AC square is equals to AB plus BC. AB square plus length BC square. Okay, now substitute the value. AC is how much? 15. AB is we have to find out, so write as it is, or x meter. Okay, and BC is 9 meter, 9 square. Now 15 square is equals to x square plus 9 square. 15 square is how much? 225 is equals to x square plus 9 9 is 81. Okay student, now what you are going to do? I am going to 225 I will keep here and I will substitute. I will rearrange this 81 from here. Shift. I will shift from here to here. So here it is plus. Here it will become minus. 81 is equals to x square. So how much? 144. So 144 is the square of 12. So x is equals to 12. So student, what is the answer? So answer is the distance between distance between the foot of the ladder. Student, statement is very important. Ladder and the base of the wall. Is 12 meter. I hope you understood this. Now practice set 48. You are going to entire sum you are going to solve into your maths notebook. Students, now we will see practice set 49. Find the Pythagorean triplets from among the following sets of numbers. So, first to sixth sums are there. I'll show you one sum, rest you are going to solve by yourself. So first sum, let me show you first sum, okay, that is 3, 4 and 5, okay. We are going to find the Pythagorean triplets. So student, for this, first same, take one square is equals to 3 square. First you are going to write all the squares, okay, squares of all three numbers. 3 का square, 3 3s are 9, 4 का square, 4 4s are 16 and 5 का square 25. Okay, first this you understood. First you are going to write all the squares, means all the three numbers square. Then what you are going to do, students, the biggest side, okay, maximum number is 25, so this will be considered as a hypotenuse, okay. So 9 plus 16 is equals to 25, okay. Now is it 9 plus 16 is 25? Just check, student. 16 plus 9, yes, so 25 is equals to 25. So this is a Pythagorean triplet. Therefore 3 square plus 4 square is equals to 5 square. So 3, 4 and 5, 3, 4 and 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. So I hope you understood this. One more sum I will show you, student, that is second sum, okay. 2, 4 and 5. Same, take out the squares. 4 का square 16 and 5 का square 25, okay. Now again, which one is the longest side? 25. So 4 plus 16 is equals to 25. Is it 16 plus 4 is 25? No, it's a 20. So is not equal to 25. Student, see, this cut is not equal. You are going to do this sign, okay. So therefore 2 square plus 4 square is not equal to 5 का square. Understood? Okay. So 2, 4 and 5 is not a Pythagorean triplet. Understood? Understood this, student? So now you are going to solve all the rest sums. Student, now let us see second sum, okay. First one, what is the question? The sides of some triangles are given below. Find out which ones are right angled triangles, okay. So first I will show you how to do this, okay. Same question I have written here, okay. So first you are going to take the longest side, student. Which one is the longest? This, okay, 17. सो हियर 17 का स्क्वायर यू आर गोइंग टू टेक. मैक्सिमम नंबर जो है ना, ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर, उसका स्क्वायर लेना है. ओके, 289. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर नाउ. देन टेक सेकेंड नंबर स्क्वायर. 8 का स्क्वायर 64 एंड 15 का स्क्वायर इज 225. ओके, सब तीनों नंबर का स्क्वायर ले लिए, पहले जैसा किया हमने वैसा सेम. ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट सेम वे क्या करना है आपको, 64 प्लस 225 इज इक्वल्स टू 289. अब चेक करो ये दोनों इक्वल है क्या, ये इसके, ये जब ऐड करोगे तो ये इक्वल हो रहा है. ये 280 वी विल ऐड एंड चेक. ओके, 225 64 982. yes, it's 289 is equals to 289. okay, this is verified. So 8 square plus 15 square equals to 17 square. So it is a right angle triangle. It is a right angled triangle. Understood, students? Now next is one more sum I will show you. If it is not equal, then it will be not a right angle triangle. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, 49 and practice set 48. Okay, so we had completed with this chapter. I want you all to write this both practice set into your maths notebook.
So student, today we will stop here. We had completed with the chapter number 13. Student, in next module we are going to start with the new interesting chapter. Student, I want you to do the entire chapter, that is practice set 48 and 49, into your mathematics notebook with neat and clean handwriting. Students, if you like my video and you want me to make such an educational video, then please subscribe if you haven't to my YouTube channel, like and share. Till then students, thank you, take care, bye bye.